when we taking J-pipe off, this is the underside of it. To take off these 3 bolts, of course, spraying down WD-40s, and that's where my own cracked the flex pipe. So actually, I'm gonna basically cut this off, put a brand new flex pipe in, and just resell this whole unit. But besides that, I have the upgraded J-pipes that I'm taking off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm take off the bolts from that one, because the one I have eliminates the cat. So just this whole pipe is coming out. So there's 3 bolts here, 3 bolts on this one, and 3 bolts down there. So got our good old WD-40. I'm gonna just spray these bolts, so this way it'll be a little easier to get out. Hopefully I don't have any major issues. And yes, I did purchase new gaskets for this. So this is the new J-pipe I'm putting on. This is a V3. This basically is a better dual, and it actually eliminates the cat, if I'm correct. So I'm just gonna match it up to the one that's on the car right now and show you guys the difference. Just gotta take this easy, so I'm using a breaker bar. So I'm gonna try to just break loose all of them with a breaker bar, something simple. And then I'll move on to just using the gun to just take everything out. So after a whole bunch of struggling, finally got J-pipe out. That's the old one. That's the new one. Basically, this was the V2 design that you needed a test pipe to get rid of the cat, and with this one it's just a whole unit where it replaces the cat. So as I told you before, right here the flex pipe, it broke out and just had to replace it, and then this would have been good, but I just ended up getting that one instead, so I'm gonna run that. Here's how it looks underneath the car. Not gonna lie, this thing was a pain. This is the old gasket, just gotta take it off. I have a new one, so that's fine. And I'm just gonna clean off these surfaces, just make sure everything is, you know, a little bit decent. And that one back there. So yeah, overall it's not too bad, too crazy. I'm also gonna put some silicone on it, temperature sealant, just make sure it gets rid of the noise. And you know, as usual, you found more problems. So it looks like I have a, I guess the crack means seal leak right here. Yeah, that wasn't doing much. So these are the seals that you're gonna need, the gaskets. This is the one for the back sections, and these are the 2 for the top that goes to the cat. These are Bosch parts, so pretty reputable. Now I just gotta clean them and throw them on with the gasket maker. So this is what the gasket look like. I just put this on to basically help hold it in place when I put it up. Just kind of help it stay in place. I just gotta snake it in and do that one in the back. I'm doing the dancing. Don't put it over here. Why are you doing the wrong things? Oh, don't you do the wrong things.
No, hold on the camera. Hello?
That would be easy with 2 hands. Whew. This does suck doing it by yourself though, especially on a small lift, well, jack stands. So everything is bolted up. Now let's turn it on to see what happens. Okay, wait a minute.
Did you make a fuss? Oh, I was gonna say,
Listen to that quietness. The oil change is perfect. Ooh, guys, so that's how you do your oil change. Now when you just load the car, just double check this, make sure the level is fine, and you're good to go. And that's the J-pipe. Gives a little deeper growl, but mainly I don't have that stupid leak anymore, so it doesn't sound like a piece of ish. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so I moved the ground right here. So far seems sturdy, no issues. Mounts installed, no problem. Very simple install. The hard parts will be getting to that one and that one, but that will be the next show. And sound of the J-Pipe.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.